Most people don't make better financial decisions because they found a better app. They make better decisions because they found the right people. Financial advice has always felt distant for most people, something reserved for those who already have wealth, or those who speak the language of spreadsheets and portfolios. The average person sits somewhere in the middle, aware that their finances matter, but unsure where to start and who to actually listen to. That gap is exactly what NeoRiseWay was built to close. NeoRiseWay is a financial advisory platform, but the way it operates is different from what you might expect. It's built around community, around the understanding that financial growth doesn't happen in isolation. It happens when you're surrounded by people who are on the same path, asking the same questions, and moving in the same direction. The platform brings together individuals at different stages of their financial journey, supported by advisors and educators who focus on long-term outcomes, not quick fixes. NeoRiseWay covers personal finance fundamentals, wealth-building principles, and financial planning guidance, all delivered in plain language that fits into everyday life. That combination, professional advisory guidance backed by a real community, is what makes NeoRiseWay a different kind of platform. NeoRiseWay, financial advisory built around people, not just numbers.